80s as we head into next weekend. All right, 6:47. I'm joined this morning by Chef Marti and Stormy Mongiello. Is that correct?
That's it.
All right, from Inn of the Patriots, and you guys are making up a presidential fave for us this morning.
We are, yeah. In honor of course, the holiday weekend, President Roosevelt had a real favorite of fish chowders and fish soups. Yeah, it was one of his most desired dishes. So, you know, we were not stupid in the Navy, all the valets and chefs working for the president. We would also make a lighter version of that for him during the spring and summer.
Okay, well, work your magic for us.
All right, well, we did start off here a little bit, of course. We have some fish stock, and we sweated some onions there. So we like to put some Vidalia onions in. And then, of course, we chopped up some tomatoes a little bit there. And
some nice diced Roma tomatoes.
Aroma's better to use than, say, some of the larger ones in soups?
Yeah, like a big boy. Yeah, we prefer a Pomodoro or a Roma. And we've got some shrimp in there, of course, beautiful shrimps. We do have some whitefish. If you can find some flounder or any kind of whitefish, this recipe will be on the WBTV website today.
All right, so just cut those up into some bigger chunks.
Yeah, cut them up, and we got some lovely scallops. Okay, let's put those in a fish stew or a fish soup. You would expect those, right? And all that juice, don't throw that away.
Good stuff.
Adds that flavor.
Yeah, and we've got lobster and also crab.
All right.
Okay, got to have that in there, and we're going to start to mingle that around.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, and as long as the pot doesn't fly off the table today, we'll be okay, right?
That is a good start.
All right, and then you know, we have to have a bay leaf.
Oh, definitely.
To mingle in there. And
I plucked some little thyme off. This is from our garden. That's another thing that we've been doing is we've been gardening at the inn. And this thyme we got from Monticello, Thomas Jefferson's.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
They have a seed exchange up there, and so we were able to get some seeds from that.
Cool.
So we'll just strip that down. If you just reverse pull on a lot of those herbs,
so they
rosemary,
just flake right off?
They come right off. Let's mingle that in there. And give me some fish stock. I'm going to put a little more fish stock in here now. This is getting a bit chunky and beefy. So we like a nice fish stock. You can buy this at the store, or you can make your own.
So if we choose to make our own, kind of walk us through briefly how we would do that.
Yeah, we usually take a couple of pieces of fish. We'll do it with the bone. You know, you got to have salt and pepper, of course. I'm using a 4-color organic pepper here. I'm going to do a little bit of the Himalaya salt, which we bring right out of the Himalayan mountains here. Let's put a little salt in there.
Exactly.
Yep. And, of course, nothing would be good without a little bit of garlic, right?
That's right.
Now, what is everybody's least favorite part of garlic? Peeling it.
Peeling it and getting the burning garlic underneath your fingernails,
So we do have a nice little trick here. If you have the garlic, just take 2 metal bowls, shake it together,
and it'll peel it for you.
Oh my gosh, it sure does.
Yeah.
Look at that.
So,
and just a few seconds of doing that, you don't have to peel garlic and struggle, and it really saves
anybody that is sick. I used to have to peel 10 pounds of garlic as an apprentice.
Oh my goodness.
Before I was allowed to go home every day.
And you used to cook for several of our ex-presidents, right?
Well, I tell you, I was in the Navy 21 years, and Stormy also is a veteran, so we're honoring all veterans this weekend. And I worked for the White House Military Office, so yeah, got a lot of awards and got lucky quite often. And so this is really simple. We like to serve this with a nice piece of bread there. And there's an old cook's tale or chef's tale that if you get a bay leaf in your soup or your stew, you're supposed to kiss the chef. So we're not going to ask anybody other than Stormy, my wife, to try this today. But that is a fun one. There's a bay leaf for you right there.
Make it pretty.
Bay leaf.
Add a little Parmesan and you're good to go.
Yeah, a little Pecorino Parmesan. We love that on top. And we can put a little color on the plate there with a little bit of that pepper. And how about a piece of that crusty bread there, Chef Stormy? Yeah.
Looks delicious. And there you go.
Easy.
There
you guys are ready for lunch or dinner tonight.
There you go. All right. Thank you guys so much for coming in.
Thank you.
It smells delicious. All right. We'll be back right after this.